Hey y'all, so because the closest Apple store to my house is 3 miles away, and because Uber and Lyft in LA, I don't know what is going on, but I can't get an Uber and Lyft. I have been walking these last 3 miles to go get an AirTag to do a review for y'all. So I'll be back with the AirTag right.
Secure the bag. I'll see y'all at the house.
Okay, we're back, and like I said, we got the goods from Apple. The AirPods, they are basically going to be a device that helps you find things. So you use it in your Find My app right inside the iPhone, and from there you're able to find these little devices. Now, you may think Apple's just copying what Tile did. And you would be correct. But the thing that makes the AirTag so interesting is the Apple ecosystem. Because unlike Tile, where it does work off of other tiles, you need to have another tile around to find your tile if it's not in Bluetooth range. Versus when it comes to the AirTag, not only can other AirTags help it out, but it's also using iPhones. So now you're way more likely to use it because people are way more likely to have an iPhone or an Apple device than a tile. I am horrible with losing things, like absolutely horrible. I probably lose things every single day. I mean, I'm losing my mind. Bad joke. It was a bad joke. So today, let's unbox the AirTags, show you the setup, and I'll give you a little review. Amazing. So let's unbox the AirTag. Apple's made it very easy, so you can just peel this little guy here. Boom. There we go. So open up there. Boom. AirTag. So in there, you're gonna get, you know, your random stuff that you always get. The AirTag, and let's open this bad boy up. You don't need that. Oh my God. Look at that. Look at this beauty. That is the AirTag. Okay, so we're gonna take it out. And that's just like bottle cap size. Very small. Could just blend in with everything. And I really like this. Okay, this is my favorite part of unboxing, is hearing the sound. Always. So hopefully y'all feel the same way. Here it goes. Ooh, you hear that? The AirTag. The AirTag is just so nice and beautiful, and this is gonna be a fingerprint magnet. All right, so let's put the AirTag to the side. Let's open this bad boy up. So this is where I will put everything. And so because I'm really bad with keys, but I wanted it to look nice, and this leather on at least on the picture, ooh, this leather in real life looks nice. Look at that. Okay. I don't get a lot of leather things, so, all right, well, you don't really get a lot with the accessories, but that's Apple for you. Look at that. Ooh, look at this. All right, this was not a bad choice. At first, I was like, do I really want to spend, you know, we be broke out here. I'm like, do I really want to spend $35? But this was worth it. Look at this. So then we'll just put the AirTag in there afterwards, but we'll do that in a second. Here we go, already on my phone. The AirTag is next to it. Like, I just had the AirTag to it, and it's already wanting to connect. So what will happen is I'm going to connect. Here we go. We're gonna call this one Keys. So after you continue, it'll ask you if you want to register to your Apple ID, and I have to cover like this because I noticed that it shows all my information, so let's not do that. But once you register it, now look at the, okay, Apple's animations are always amazing. Look at this. And boom. So now within the Find My app, we'll be able to find these. And there we go. On the map, there's my AirTag, and if I need to find it, ooh, that's pretty loud. Also, there's this really cool feature called Nearby. So I'm gonna put the AirTag like right over here. And because I have an iPhone 12 that has that U1 chip in it, I'm able to go like this and literally can see where it is. And as I'm doing this, I'm getting hacked feedback. So the closer I get to it, here, let me move it closer, and it finds it. And when it finds it, it lets you know it's here. And then let's play a sound. That's awesome. All right, now it's time for the part you wanted. Putting this in here. So I'm assuming, just open this bad boy up, pop them in there so you guys see what it will look like. Boom, look at that, look at that. Push it, and boom, now your AirTag is sexy. And you put it on your keys and you're all good to go. I think Apple really priced these well. I mean, I would have been really angry if they would have priced it any higher. I'm really excited to see where AirTags go, and literally. But this is really exciting, and I'm gonna put my keys on it so I don't lose anything anymore. So yeah, that is the AirTag. Please tell me in the comments down below if you like the AirTags and if it's something that you think you're going to be interested in getting. I know for me, I lose everything like I said before, so it's going to be very useful for me. But I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments down below. Did Apple just steal another idea and that's it? Or do you think this is going to be very useful because of the ecosystem? Let me know. And while you're there, please hit that like and subscribe if you like and subscribe to the channel, because it very much so helps. And I thank you so much for watching this on the channel. So thank you for everything. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.